A front office executive job is available. Location is Ajman. Industry healthcare, must have 1 to 2 years of experience in front office receptionist role in healthcare industry, fluent in English and Malayalam. Should be on spouse or sponsor visa. Should be available in UAE to join immediately. Salary 3,000 to 4,000 dirhams. If you fall in above criteria, you can send CV to the given email address with subject of front office executive, plus mention your current location, visa status and notice period in the email content. This is one of the client's requirements. The above details are as specified by them. Only shortlisted candidates meeting the above requirements will be contacted. This is, I think, specially jobs for Indian nationality. A property advisor job is available. Location is Dubai. In this job, attractive salary plus commission. We are real estate brokerage firm in the market with some exclusive project in UAE. Role description: this is a full-time remote role for a property advisor. The property advisor will be responsible for managing properties and investments, providing excellent customer service, communicating with clients and handling financial aspects of the properties. Qualification: communication and customer service skills, property management and investment experience, ability to analyze financial data, excellent interpersonal skills, bachelor degree in business, finance, real estate or related field, proficiency in Microsoft Office including Excel, Word and PowerPoint, knowledge of property law and regulations, experience in sales or marketing is a plus advantage. Kindly share your CV at the given email address if you fall in above criteria. A cleaning coordinator job is available in Abu Dhabi. We are only hiring people who have knowledge of Abu Dhabi healthcare processes and DOH regulations. Candidates should be locally available in UAE to be based out of Abu Dhabi. Preferred experience: minimum 2 years of experience at a healthcare provider, that is hospital, outpatient clinic or with a healthcare professional medical center operation, and coordination quality experience in Javda, Tasnif, KPIs, experience in administrative duties and use of database, experience in primary care service such as chronic disease management and preventive services, knowledge of medical terminology. Interested candidates can send in their application on the given email address. Guys, before switch to the next topic, I just want to share with you very important information. Guys, be serious on this. If you are going to Dubai in visit visa in search of a job, you have to do something before departure. Before flying from your country, you have to do some work. Where you want to go, how you will find a job. I have a complete video. You can check in playlist, and also there you can find what documents are required. You have to attest all your documents. Another thing, if you are on cancel visa or you want to change your job, it will also help you to assist you. And the third important thing, CV is very important. If you know how to make or change CV in mobile phone, it's very well. If you don't know, you can watch a video, complete video, and within 10 to 15 minutes you can make a professional CV in your mobile phone just now. The basic thing is that if you are going to apply for a call center job and you are trying to find, you tried your best, but unluckily you did not find the same job, but you found an customer service job. This is closely related to the call center. But now you have to change your CV. The remaining CV will be the same, just experience in and description, and the other things, skills you have to change. You have to change your skills from call center to customer service. If you don't know how to change in mobile phone, then it will problem for you. You do not need to waste your money either in typing center or computer shop. Just go there and please change my this CV like this. This is a first example, but you have to change your CV many times. So you can watch a video and you can change everything in your mobile free of cost. Another thing, how to search a job. I have a complete video and playlist. You can watch there. And daily update about new jobs. I am posting jobs. So you have to subscribe this channel. So you will get daily notification and you can apply for your desired job. So make sure just now you subscribe my channel, because later you will forget it. This is the most important thing. Just click on subscribe and press the bell icon. And I also created a playlist for your assist. You can watch all the videos related to the job post. Thank you. A warehouse manager job is available. This location is Sharjah industry, manufacturing, and at least 3 to 5 years of warehouse management experience is required in UAE. Should be available in UAE to join immediately. Salary will be 7,000 to 10,000. Send your CV to the given email address with subject of email has warehouse manager. Please mention your current location, visa status, expected salary and notice period in the email contact. A sales executive job is available. Hiring for sales executive water pumps. If you have experience in water pump, it's the extra advantage for you. Location is UAE and minimum 2 year experience in channel sales of water pumps in UAE market. You must have UAE valid driving license. It's compulsory, and salary range is 5,000 to 7,000 dirham. If you fall in above criteria or you have any sales executive experience, you can send CV to the given email address.